When we make a capital printed D, we have our vertical stem and then we have a sideways bowl. The same is true of a cursive D. We just have 2 extra loops that help lead our hand into each part as we create it. Starting at the green line, we're going to go down for our stem to the base line. Then we're going to loop around, up to make the sideways bowl, and back around to lead out. Now let's try a few on different line spacing. It's one of the most fun letters to make. It has a beautiful flow. I love it when I get to make a cursive capital D. Let's try the word dad. Capital D, A, D. This makes sense because you would capitalize it if you were writing a letter to your dad. A capital printed N is quite angular, going down, up. When we make a cursive N, we actually start at the top and go down first, and it looks a lot like a lowercase printed N. Here in my example, you'll see me start at the green dot, go down, loop around, and go back to the capital line, and then down again to make my stem. Then you'll see my purple line. Notice my purple hump does not touch the capital top line. You can see me make N's of different sizes, and we're going to make a really simple word to practice our N. We're going to write the word no. I'll make a capital cursive N, and notice that my O is not connected to my capital N. A printed capital P is quite like a cursive capital P. It just has a fancy lead-in line. So as I prepare, you can look at all the colors and all the parts. Starting at the green midline, dotted line, we're going to swoop up with our blue to the capital line, to the cap line. We're going to come down at an angle, which is our stem, you'll see it in purple, and then retracing with my yellow back up to the capital line and make a loop to the dotted line. Get rid of my stray mark on the side. Just erase that. And now I'm going to show you a few capital P's of varying heights. You can work on improving your letters by working on those different heights on your worksheet as well. And we're going to try a name. We're going to try the name Paul, P-A-U-L. Since it's a name, it would start with a capital. Notice the A does not connect to the capital P.